Hi, it's Jose Diaz, Hayward's favorite real estate agent, and welcome to my newest listing located here at 31590 Hugh Way in the desirable neighborhood of Rancho Verde and located in the Union City School District. Are you ready to take a look at the inside of your newest home? This spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath home offers approximately 1,600 square feet of living space, a comfortable and functional floor plan, gleaming hardwood floors throughout, and plenty of room for family and friends. And one of my favorite features is this peaceful backyard with its hot tub and mature fruit trees. So whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for more room, you will appreciate the value, location, and opportunity this home brings. For more information, feel free to contact me, Jose Diaz, your favorite realtor, at 510-912-4519. Welcome home.